up with y'all, man? It's Blake Smoove, man. Hey, how y'all doing and how y'all feeling? Yeah, it's like that. Today I'm Doordashing, man, and it's really cozy out here, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. The air in the back only work. The ones in the front don't work. But look how I look. Look how bad it is out here. It's really like that out here. But hold on. Good thing about it is, hey, it's a $4 peak. So we finna see what this $4 peak hitting on, man. Cause the last time we had a $4 peak, I ain't gonna lie to you, it was a long time ago. That's when the pandemic really started. When it first started, you know, they panicked. They're like, we're gonna give y'all $7, you know? Yeah, it's the first time in a long time, you feel me? So wish me luck out here, man. Let's get it. It's a $10 order for Kevin Qdoba. Only 4 miles. We out here.
All right, all set for you.
Appreciate it.
Hope you have a good one.
You too.
Thank you.
Look, so I got the food, right? Let's send the directions. Look, I got the food. 11 minutes away. Let's get it. It's crazy out here, man. I don't even know. They be doing me like this, and I don't be wanting to do this to them though, but I ain't gonna lie to you though, at the door. Got another one, $10. What it say, 3 miles? We own it. We own it. Look, the only thing about Buffalo Wild Wings is the food not ready. Like, it don't be ready all the time. Like, I need it ready every time they say Blake on the way to come get the food, you feel me? I need it done, ready. I don't know if it's just me, but you can't stop this, babe. I got a DoorDash pickup for Peyton. Appreciate it.
Have a nice day.
You too. Hey, honestly, they really surprised me there. You know, this 8 minutes away, you feel me? They really surprised me. The food was already ready. Oh, almost slipped and fell. Oh, dilly me, I thought that was the door. Where the fucking door? Here go the sidewalk. Look at that. 304. I know y'all like, dang, this your first video of the year. No, it's not. This is my number 65th video, if I said that right. But yeah, I did 65 videos so far. I've been hustling on my other channel, man. Blake Vlogs, man. Yeah, go check him out. Yeah, he over there doing something different. For real though. It's just that channel right now doing better than this channel right here. So why not switch over real quick, get that channel up and running, you feel me? So we ain't got nothing to worry about. This channel gonna always be here. Oh shit. Oh. Shit. Oh shit. Let me put this down real quick. $10 right there. Would it say 3.6 miles? Let's get it. Chicken Shack. I be in my own zone. That shit crazy. By me being in my own zone, I only talk to y'all. Like, that shit wild. I really only talk to y'all. But look, it's 3:35 right now. The peak stopped at 4 o'clock. She said I got 5 minutes until the food done. By 4 o'clock, I want to have 50 by 4 o'clock. Cause ain't no telling if they gonna give us another peak. So if I had 50 by 4 o'clock, oh, and I got another one. I got a Walgreens. Let's see how much that is. Hold on, just so y'all don't think I'm playing. Walgreens for $12 right now for 5 items. I think I can go shopping. We're gonna go shopping real quick. Yeah. Hopefully that's that 50 before 4 o'clock. Hey man, like this video, comment, and subscribe to the gang. And I'm out of here. Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
It's snowing hella out there. It's a little sun.
It's like that.
Is this for Doordash?
Yeah. Hey, it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. I got 51. I got out here at 2 o'clock. This what $20 is. Full of liquor in this box. $20. And I don't know what I'm walking on. I got you. Y'all didn't think that this was over. We at Penn Station. Hold on. Yeah. Penn Station. Yeah, it's snowing like a motherfucker. I got to pick up for my baby Amber. Whatever she need, I'm gonna get. Hey, I ain't gonna lie though, here, they got some good fries, homemade fries. I got a DoorDash pickup.
What's the name?
Amber.
Amber, we can try that.
Here you go. Have a great night.
You too.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
All this right here. It's crazy out here, man. It's crazy out here, man. We here though. We here with it. We here with it. Boom. Boom. Come get your food, homie. Come get it. Hold on. Oh.
You feel me? That's how these niggas build genuine love, dog. It's about opening the fair eyes and bring them in. You right here with me this whole ride. You gonna watch me get this shit. You gonna watch me hustle. You gonna watch me blow. You gonna help me blow. You know what I'm saying? Look, bitch, we grinding right now.